All right, so what I want to look at here is word problems. And realistically, it sounds a lot worse than it is. You actually have done this before. That's like what is so awesome about this. We have so much that we've already done. So take a second and look at these. Just look in this first box. Initial fee, miles per hour, daily, upfront fee, rate. Which of those do you think is going to go as an M, right? Every single time it's that much is being added. And which of those is going to be your B, your starting value? Okay? So if we fill this out together, I'm going to try and make it so that you can see a little bit. Is that better? Okay. So we are going to start with initial fee. We'll go in the B. Miles per hour. We'll go for the M. Daily, we'll go for the M. Upfront fee, we'll go for the B. And rate, we'll go for the M. That's the first box. Those are the 5 from the first box. Now we're going to look at the second box. Monthly, every hour, down payment, security deposit, each day. Okay? So, monthly, we're going to put in the M. We're going to put every hour in the M. We are going to put down payment in the B. We are going to put security deposit in the B. Each day will be in the M. Okay? So I want you to try to do the last one. Okay? The third box, starting fee, hourly, upfront fee, feet per second. See what you get. Miss Davy, pause the video. Welcome back. You should have had starting fee under B. You should have hourly under M, upfront fee in the B, feet per second in the M, and every day in the M. Okay? Now, I want to hit 3 key things, okay, for the M, for the slope. If you notice, a lot of the same words are kind of said. Per is a really, really big one. That kind of gives it away. Every is typically another one. And the third one is each. Obviously, not every single one of these have those, but those are kind of the 3 key words that you go, oh, that's going to be my M. Is that every single sound? No, but that's okay. Now, for the B, there's just one kind of big one because all the other ones, this is going to be the starting value, right? Where does it start off with? Security deposit, that's a start. Starting fee, that's a start. Upfront fee, that's a start, okay? Anytime that you could say that's your starting value, that's the one-time thing, right? That's going to be your B, okay? So again, we've done this before. It looks a little bit different, but we've done it before. So if we look at number 1, a recording studio charges musicians an initial fee of $50 to record an album. Studio time costs an additional $35 per hour. So remember when we did our word problems and we had our highlighters and we colored all the different things, right? Blue was something, yellow was something, red was something, green was something. It's the same thing here. Which number is going to go? What are we trying to find out? Total cost of an album as a function of the studio time in hours. So we will have y equals, then we have 35 per hour plus 50. Then we have 35 per hour plus 50. Again, when I was looking at your things that you did on Monday, like this is what I saw. A lot of people knew what the slope and the y-intercept were. They knew how to write the problem. They just didn't know exactly what I was saying by slope and y-intercept, so they couldn't write it down themselves. Okay? So then it says, find the total cost of recording an album that takes 10 hours of studio time. So would I put that in for y or for h? For h. So I'm going to do 35. In place of h, I'm going to put 10. And then I'm going to add 50. What's 35 times 10? 350. Plus 50, 400. And this is cost, and we're in America, so we're going to put $400. That's it. Okay? Let's try one more. A dance academy charges $20 to use the facility and $25 per hour of instruction. So, if my equation, right, is y equals mx plus b, I'll start with y equals, what's going to be my slope? Which one goes next to the x? 25, good. And again, if you want to use x, you want to use h again, that's fine. And then this is going to be plus 20. Then it says, find the total cost of 2 hours of dance instruction. So, same thing. We would have 25. In place of h, I would have 2 plus 20. Well, 25 times 2 is 50 plus 20. That is 70. And again, we are talking about money, money, money. Okay? And if you would have rather used C instead of Y, that is all perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Okay? I want to look at one more for a specific reason. So look on the next page and look at number 3. Okay? Look at the next page and look at number 3. A water tank already contains 55 gallons of water when Baxter begins to fill it. Water flows into the tank at a rate of 8 gallons per minute. Actually, no, I lied. That one's fine. Never mind. All right, so what I want you to do is work through a few of these on your own.